Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com. What a morning here, guys. So first off, Pelosi extended the deadline. They think they're really going to get a deal done by this weekend. So the markets were down earlier this morning. Since then, we're pulling back up. We're turning green here in the markets in the pre-market hours. And the big news is Snapchat. Snapchat had a huge beat on Q3. Stock is up over 23%, up $6.64, breaking $35 a share. After that, you can see here Facebook shares are leading as well here. Facebook shares up 280 bucks. We're probably going to be making a trade on Facebook. If you guys remember, we were talking about that consolidation right here and the need to break that 280 resistance. So now that we broke that 280 resistance, we could absolutely be jumping into some Facebook calls, either doing an in the money vertical spread or buying some at the money or slight out of the money calls, looking for Facebook to break that 300 by the November 20th monthly expo. Also, news that's coming across my news wire here this morning is, let me bring it up here. So Facebook shares are trading higher in sympathy with Snap after the company reported better than expected Q3 earnings results and an increase in DAUs. Facebook takes aim at neighborhood focused Nextdoor with a new service. So big climb there on Facebook and Snapchat shares. What else is moving nicely here in the pre-market hours? We have Google continuing to run. GOOGL, even after their big lawsuit. That's holding that 10-day simple moving average. That's something we could probably pick up today. Today, I really want to focus in and look for a paycheck trade. So that's going to be our focus today. I want to find a nice paycheck trade for this week and see what we could do with that. Also, we have a silver trade. Take a look at SLV. Another nice climb here today, holding above that 10-day simple moving average. We're going to have some nice profits on silver today again. So that's looking good. The markets are holding up with the stim deal talks here that are still supposedly going on with Pelosi and Mnuchin. They're going to pass something. The Senate is going to pass their own bill, but I don't think the Senate's bill is going to go anywhere. I think the House Speaker Pelosi and Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin, what they have going on there is going to be really important for the markets. I think that's what we're going to be focusing in on. Nextera reported earnings, not doing too much. Abbott, ABT reported earnings. That stock's getting a nice climb there. This is the coronavirus test manufacturer, still holding above that 10-day simple moving average, looking good here. Verizon, VZ. As you can see, Verizon's getting a climb there this morning as well. Biogen, BIIB. Still retracing here. After the bell, we got big earnings today after the bell, guys. We have Tesla reporting earnings after the bell. That's going to be a big one. I think that one's going to get a nice pop there. And we have Chipotle Mexican Grill. This stock's been taken off and doing nothing but climbing here for a while. We got a double top forming right now from going back to September 2nd. So we're going to be looking for a break above that if they got good earnings. Tesla, Chipotle, Whirlpool, and Las Vegas Sands report after the bell today, LVS here. So that's going to be definitely one we could take a look at. I think LVS is going to be doing pretty well here. They opened back up after the coronavirus shutdown. So I've been seeing a lot of activity at the at the casinos and hotels and whatnot. So that's going to be interesting. We'll watch Las Vegas Sands, Chipotle, Tesla, and of course, I want to be looking at trading Facebook today. Facebook's going to be the big one. It's finally breaking above that resistance area, and I think we can make a nice swing trade, possibly even a paycheck trade on Facebook for this week's expo here. So again, markets are going to be a little bit choppy. We're still waiting on House Speaker Pelosi and Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin to get this stim deal passed. And once we do, that's going to be looking great here for us. All righty, guys, I'll be joining you live shortly. I hope everyone has a great day. God bless. Take care. Stay safe and happy trading.